We may only rule for a short time and then it's back to the spider. But as far as we know, the spider don't write poems. Nature is only great, I think, because man exists. We are not forced to live by the forces of nature. And only because we left it behind, we can now come back and say, ah, look how beautiful it is.
In the beginning, God put a rainbow up on the sky as a kind of a proof for mankind that he would never let the water rise again.
Kollapser. Wow! Jeg synes, det er så flot, at man forsvinder. Mennesket har jo været på banen i 2 millioner år. Og det er virkelig ingenting i forhold til, hvis du ser på andre dyr. Og hvis man så spørger, hvordan ser det ud for os om 2 millioner år? Har vi så lavet om på det hele, eller har vi ødelagt os selv, eller hvad?
It is a fact that it always heated up and boiled down. And for sure mankind influenced that, but there's, I think, so many factors on such a complex system like the globe that well, okay, it heats up, so what?
These flat stones could indicate platforms made by humans.
Det er den vildeste prøve, altså. Det er jo fuldstændig overraskende, at vi finder de her dyr i den type sediment. Det har man ikke gjort før.
I tilfælde af akut sindssyge, så har vi en kanyle, så man kan jogge i nakken på folk.
We are petty bourgeois anarchists. We don't follow orders. Give me the gun.
Wow. You hit it.
I failed.
Jeg er på vagt til kl. 11, og så har jeg tænkt mig at gå ned i salongen og simpelthen skrive, hvad meningen er med livet.
I still can't believe that there's nobody out there. I'm still looking for the stop sign.
Woohoo! So this is the end of the world.
Kinda gives me the creeps.